Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Hello, how are you? How are you today? So happy to see you again, for a little hearing examination in French and in English, relaxation and French lesson. Let's go. Okay, I have your first and last name. Can you tell me your phone number one more time? Votre numéro de téléphone. Good. Okay, just one question. Do you have any problem with your ears? Est-ce que vous avez des problèmes avec vos oreilles? Ears, oreilles. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's go. First of all, I'm just going to whisper some color. This side in English, this side in French. Just repeat after me and close your eyes again. Okay, close your eyes, please. Okay, let's go. Orange. Okay, what is this color? Okay, very good. Blue. Okay, what is this color? Okay, one more time. Yellow. Jaune. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to whisper in English and in French the numbers. Okay, let's go. 54, 54. Okay, what is the number? Okay, one more time. 9. Okay, very good. Now let's go for a little left or right test. Just tell me if this sound is into your left or right. Gauche, droite, left, right, gauche, droite. Okay, tell me in French. Gauche ou droite. Okay, let's go. Gauche ou droite. Gauche, droite. Okay, now this sound. Gauche ou droite. Okay, very good. Oreille gauche, oreille droite, oreille gauche, oreille droite, oreille gauche, oreille droite. Okay, now for finish this little examination. I have 4 sound. Just guess the sound. Okay. First sound, le premier son is this one. Close your eyes. Okay, can you guess this? Est-ce que vous pouvez deviner? Quel est ce son? What is this sound? Quel est ce son? Okay, this is une manette controller, une manette. Okay, very good. Sound number 2. Est-ce que vous pouvez deviner ce son? Ok, quel est ce son? What is this sound? Ok, une lumière, light, red light, lumière rouge, Ok, sound number 3. Close your eyes. Can you guess the sound? Est-ce que vous pouvez deviner le son? Ok, c'était ça. A make-up object, un objet de maquillage, make-up. Ok, the last sound. Close your eyes one more time. Ok, this is the most difficult sound. Le son un peu plus compliqué. Ok, did you guess this sound? This is a ball, une balle, purple, violet. Okay, let's make one more test. I'm just going to whisper in French some word. Just repeat the word and I'm going to translate to you in English. Okay. Magique. Okay, magical. Okay. Noir. Okay, black. Okay. Fenêtre. Okay, window. And the last one, amour. Okay, love. This is have a good night. Bonne nuit, good night, bonne nuit, good night, bonne nuit, bonne nuit, bonne nuit.